they foul the number 25. Swak yung dalawang free throw. 9 in all. And the second deadline. They got number 6 try using the right hand. No good rebound. Still offensive opportunity. Kinuha number 7. Short again. What? Meron tayo whistle. Meron tayong whistle. They got number 0. Number 8. Number 10. Foul. Okay, number 0-18. Green. 21-20. 1 point lead. Team James R. Bilbao National High School. Here comes Kapag Peter Phil. Oh, meron sa baton. Yusuf Ben. Substitution. Kapag Peter Phil sa basket. Nako. Nabita. It's a good defense by Team James R. Bilbao. 1 minute and 30 seconds to make that in second quarter. Score natin 21-20. Team Green on the lead with 1 point. Number 28. Nakinapasa the one on the elbow. Too strong. Rebound back to Team Buruan. Number 6 pass number 17. Pass to number 10. Number 10 turn around. Number 25. There's a whistle. It's a rain violation. Turnover. Okay, so score natin. One for penalty for Team Green and penalty situation for Team Maroon. Second quarter, 1 minute and 9 seconds running time, 21-20. 1 point lead. Team Zero. Because now Team Gumban to number 28. Back to Gumban again. To number 28. 10 to shoot. Nabitawan ko ng bola. Number 28. Time to take the offense. Nakalusot. No good. Rebound back to Team Maroon. 46 seconds to the game. Napoli. Kulang pa naman sa kanila. O ba sila magiging kulang pa rin? Uy. Meron tayo doon. Walang bola. Number 10. Turn around. Second shot. Team Talagay, give 30 seconds for the good run, number 24, here is the fade, nakapapalpal, nakuha dito ng Team 1, the ricochet, here is number 7, 15 to shoot. Ginagawa na ng palpal and the whistle. 11 seconds remaining number. Technical by number 27, Lapping.
Kuada na si Kapagpintoy na. Kuya na, kuada na si... Sap!
Substitution.
Tatlo na ha. Tatlo na kayo rin mo.
One free throw awarded to Ributazo. For the technical commitment number 27. And a basket. 21, 11 seconds. The one, whistle. Still, same ball, 8 seconds remaining time. 8 seconds remaining time, 21 all. In the second quarter, semifinal, Robles. 5 seconds. Basket for 2. 3 seconds. For the second quarter, score 23-21, 2-point lead, Buluan National High School. And this title is brought to us by the Department of Education, District of Yuba.
Tawag
Kabuhi sa mga coach. Lakot.